In the 1970s, Bill Fox, a quarry division manager for Ready Mix Australia, first began implementing his quarry performance optimization methods. Fox believed that before any aggregates operation could begin to optimize performance, it was absolutely necessary to develop and maintain certain organized procedures directed at achieving maximum yield of key products, while minimizing byproducts and waste. This was the only way to obtain the lowest operating cost per ton of finished products. With Quarry Vision, you will be running with the Fox, using the most powerful, intuitive, accurate performance and profit optimization system available to the aggregates industry. Quarry Vision relies upon far more than unvalidated flow models, infrequent belt samples and questionable closed-side setting measurements. Quarry Vision takes real-time data produced by belt scales and transforms it to reveal the true yield and capacity limits of the process. In addition, operating benchmarks are created, making it far easier for production managers to continuously measure, analyze and sustain performance. Once the true capability of an aggregates process has been established, Quarry Vision blends sales data and marketing projections, thus facilitating cooperative planning between production, sales and accounting managers. Key features of the Quarry Vision system includes a historical database that precisely reveals performance benchmarks as well as hidden patterns, trends, process bottlenecks and undesirable variability. A real-time data interface which provides continuous performance feedback, including the ability to evaluate the effect of various plant configurations on key product and byproduct yield. Custom reports and alarms, including real-time management updates and alerts triggered by user-specified events or by time of day. A web-accessible real-time interface, including smartphone and tablet, indicating achieved yield, capacity and variability for each product as well as for individual process segments from primary to stockpile. The initial measurement system is comprised exclusively of belt scales strategically located to measure key elements within each segment of the process. The profit optimization model includes process measurement, cost management, mode validation, inventory management, and utilizes sales projections and revenue forecasts to project potential profit margin within various operating and sourcing scenarios. Quarry Vision was designed and created exclusively for the aggregates industry. There is no shrink-wrapped software that can compete with its reliability. The Quarry Vision system can truly bring an end to speculative forecasting, out-of-balance budgets, and end-of-year accounting nightmares.
Quarry Vision.